Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today I bought this from Harbor Freight. They're sawhorses. If you guys need them, these are plastic and they're inexpensive, really cheap. I bought two of them, if you can see it. And these are Harbor Freight ones, and I'm going to show you guys how sturdy they are. And I'm a 200 and something pound guy, but so far I like this. This is a little cheap. It's cheap. It's cheap, but for one day work that you're gonna need it, or one day job, it's not that bad. A couple of screws you could screw in here. These locks, in case it's a piece of wood you want to lock it in. They're not gonna hold a lot, to be honest with you. So I pretty much use it flat, easy to fold. As you can see, easy to fold here. You just lift this up, close it up. On the other side, the same thing. This is flimsy plastic, but to be honest with you, it holds a lot of weight too. I was very impressed with how much weight you have. There's a little ruler in here, if you can see it. It's really fade. You can't really see. I'm never gonna use it. I just pretty much use it for wood and easy storage. So I like this piece of wood. See that big piece of wood that was on top of here designing it? I like it, and I'm gonna show you guys and demonstrate how strong it is. I'm not complaining. I'm not saying anything. For the price, it's cheap, and I bought it. It's better than the wood ones right now, because the wood ones are very expensive. We're talking about 20 higher price, and this is like $7 a piece. So not bad. And it's Harbor Freight. They do lock in. If you guys can see, this little joint here meets this other joint here. You can see it meets that one meets in there. And for storage area, let's put for storage space, it's almost like 2 inches. If you can see it from bottom to ground, it's about 2 inches. Not bad for one day's use. If you guys like it, I'm gonna do a little demo with my weight on it. Hopefully I will kill myself. So let's take a look at it. All right, I'm gonna use this camera angle from here and show you guys that how strong it is. So my weight's on it. It's 200 and something pounds. I could do lifts. They're really sturdy, really strong. I like it. Not bad. So for the one day's job, you know, you can take it out and it's really good. So if you guys like this kind of stuff, let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.